Have you wondered what are the best practices to store a user's password in a secure way? If yes, then keep up with me because I'm going to tell you today.
Those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
So how passwords are stored? The primary security mechanism when storing passwords is not encryption, but rather hashing. Here's why. When you encrypt a text, it is possible to obtain the text back by decrypting, using the same or different key depending on the different type of encryption. An authorized person, or an attacker who gained access to your database, can know the user's password by decrypting it if they know the key. However, with hashing, you can think of it as a one-way encryption. When we hash a text, a digest is produced, but it is not possible to decrypt the text from the digest. Popular hashing algorithms include MD5 and SHA-256, but they're not robust enough for password hashing. We'll look at algorithms optimized for passwords in a while. So let's make a simplified example of a schema on what happens when a user creates an account. So when a user creates an account, the user basically creates a password. Hash it and store it in your database. So now when a user logs in, he input the password and the program basically hash it and compare it to the value stored in the database. So let's talk about something called a rainbow table attack. A rainbow table is a pre-computed list of words and their hashes. An attacker can create a rainbow table by computing hashes for commonly used or weak passwords. If they gain access to a database of password hashes, they can simply look up the rainbow table to determine the actual password. So how to avoid this? Before you flood the comments, I know I misspelled it. In addition to hashing, sorting the password can be done. A sort is a random chunk of data, unique for each user, append to the password before hashing it. User creates a password, sort it, hash it, and then store it in your database. This will also ensure that no two passwords have the same hash. So, the two most popular libraries for password hashing algorithm are bcrypt and pbkdf2. They are suitable for password hashing and they have a built-in sorting mechanism. It is always recommended to use a library for hashing passwords instead of trying to implement your own. For added security, you can also encrypt the password hash. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.